walking out. We just came back from way out there. That island we could walk out.
It's private property.
With Ryan.
There's a dog over there.
Oh yeah, where's the dog? It's really cool. You can see the water just lands on the lens.
Look at the waves.
I don't know if you can see the hotel. It's right on the point there is where the hotel is. I'm pointing out there. If we could see him, he was gotten. See, look, here's me.
Oh, there's surfers.
So there's surfers out there. It's pretty cool. They were up.
There's a dog.
There's a dog running. See it? Playing fetch. It's the coolest thing I think I've ever seen is to see how humans and dogs come out here walking on this. It seems like walking on the water and they just throw the stick or ball and play catch. It's just the coolest thing.
Let me show you.
Oh, look in there. Oh, I did one. I did turn it around on myself. Oh, but oh, I don't know if that's worse or better. There's some people with their doggy. Okay, so I was saying before, right there, the crane, the wall fell down, so the guys out there fixing the rocks back up.
Look, the dogs are meeting.
I don't know.
No one wants to play it.
The white one or the red one?
The white one. The golden one doesn't know what to think. Yeah, look at him.
It's like a cat hunting or something. Okay.
Jeez, stand up.
Alright, so that should be an interesting video. Oh, now they're running and playing. That's awesome. Okay. Alright. Here we go. And that's where we're going. Back to our hotel. And again, this is where we came from. I walked way out there. Across that bridge, not bridge, it's just a beach, over to that island, private property. Okay, I think I'll end this so that I don't waste all the memory on my camera.